Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be discussing what you're going to do with your following. Once you've grown it, now you want to be able to leverage it for your business. Now the objective in live streaming is to grow your following, and that's what we talked about in a previous video. And you use that growing following to increase loyalty to you and your business within the particular app or network that you're operating in, whether it's Blab, Periscope, or Meerkat. And a byproduct of that should be that you're going to grow your Twitter following, because each and every one of those live applications, they're tied very closely to Twitter. You're going to be talking within that stream or typing or chatting, and that activity will actually increase the amount of Twitter activity that you're going to have, and you're going to find that your Twitter activity, your Twitter following is actually going to grow as a result of that. Now, although you could grow your following using other social networks, only Twitter is tied directly to live streaming, and that means that you're going to want to consider learning how you can grow your business using Twitter. That is a byproduct of all of this activity. Your Twitter following is going to grow, and so you are going to want to be able to use Twitter to promote your business. And so as your Twitter following grows, then you want to be able to say that your customer base is growing also. Now, using streaming as a webinar platform allows you to add live education to your marketing, and it gives people the opportunity to get their questions answered in the personal medium. And this is really a way for you to be able to sell without selling. And when you're able to sell without selling, you're able to increase loyalty. You're able to increase trust. You're able to increase the number of people who understand that your business is really attempting to help them to solve their problems and to accomplish their goals. And you can also use your streaming activity for focus group testing. This is very important because you're going to be able to get a sense for what your customer wants. So you don't have to release a product blindly. You don't have to release a service blindly. You can release the things that are really going to be of benefit to your customer, at least in their mind. You'll be able to speak in their language, and being able to see and hear the things that they discuss when it comes to your product, again, before you actually release it to the market in a focus group. You will then be able to take that data and then implement it into the products and services that you have and bring it to the market in a way that's going to be more successful, because you would have heard the voice of your customer. You would have heard the voice of your typical prospect. And you would be able to do this in real time so that you could ask questions of the people in your focus group, and that your people in your focus group will be able to interact with you and to really be true beta testers, in that they will tell you what's happening while it's happening. You'll also be able to keep the customer in the loop with live support, and this is a fantastic way of really being able to establish trust. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to be able to be there live 24/7 for all of your customers, but you can implement this by having what's comparable to certain hours that you're going to be available, or certain times of the month, or certain times of the week, and being able to use Periscope or Meerkat or Blab to do how-to videos. And this is very important for you to be able to do a literal demonstration that's not a screen share video, and that's not a talking head video, but for you to be able to demonstrate live, to have your recordings, to have the people that are actually watching ask their questions. And this is a very instructive video for people, even if they're only able to watch the recording. So it's a great way of being able to engender trust and to be able to establish likability in your niche. Now, of course, as we said, you're going to need to be able to keep the recording, but you are going to benefit from having the live audience to be there. And that really is the key to being able to take these various aspects to then take your following and then to be able to leverage it. So use these things once you have a following to continue to take them into your business in order to grow it. Take the opportunity to make sure that you're educating your customers. Take the opportunity that you're engaging your customers so that they're talking to you. Taking the opportunity so that you're able to be of support, that you're able to help them with your products and services, and you are going to find your customer base growing, and you're going to find that the customers that you do have will want to stay with you. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.